For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to create a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency, that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility between tradability and power. Every one of the obstacles and creative unconventionalities encompassing digital forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano, ADA. Cardano, ADA, invaluable computerized resource. Charles Hoskinson, prime supporter of Ethereum himself, didn't realize that he was in for sensational increases when he made spontaneous creations and his treasured computerized posterity, making Cardano, ADA, wipe out all imperfections and impediments, giving the world a one-stop arrangement. Cardano network battles all snags concerning versatility, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to view a portion of its interesting highlights. 1. Upheld by a devoted group of experts working really hard to guarantee the system of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer requirements. 2. In every minute of everyday non-stop talk and email support, guarantee financial backers generally partake in the imperative hand-holding, while at the same time completing any exchanges. 3. Setting higher client benchmarks. This digital currency market means to produce unmistakable income for every one of its financial backers. 4. Being an open-source code programming. The usefulness of Cardano works on completely clear straightforwardness, as well as exchange privacy in the organization. It will give unmatched security to dApps and social orders. 5. The zero divulgence proof places the power in the possession of a definitive client, working with the whole exchange technique's numerical consistency. 6. The system of the Cardano blockchain is conceptualized to such an extent that it guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. 7. Cardano can trap fake or false exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. 8. ADA proprietors can procure compensations by imparting their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. Cardano, the new redesigns. There were a ton of moves up to Cardano's brilliant agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most significant overhaul. The Alonzo Purple update got a gigantic change. Brilliant agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens, NFT, and changed the chain. In addition to that, Cardano, ADA, saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. Yet the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its versatility to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs equipped for taking care of 1,000 exchanges each second. On the off chance that it is valid, Cardano will be the most elevated scaling network on the planet. Cardano value history and specialized examination. Cardano is the 9th biggest digital money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a gigantic market cap of $8,672,316,422. The development is essentially because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has reported one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. In any case, 2022 has not been really ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto ruler. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 24 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it persistently exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. As indicated by our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital currency market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from now on. At present, the value activity of Cardano reflects negative force. ADA United States dollar could keep on confronting transitory adjustment up to its past help of 13 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano forecasts, the cash will record a cost recuperation when the market settles. Cardano value forecast 2023. As per our ADA gauges, the coin might exchange a scope of 20 cents to $1.97 for the year 2023, where the base cost is 20 cents and the most extreme cost is $1.97. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.09. Cardano value forecast 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.73 and $3.50. Simultaneously, the typical cost according to our Cardano cost gauge, is supposed to be around $2.62. It is normal that ADA might make another AF this year. Cardano value expectation 2025. 2025 is the year when at last the coin might cross its $5 mark, with a most extreme exchanging worth of $5.03. While the base future cost is supposed to be $3.26. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $4.15. Cardano value expectation 2026. The ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of $4.79 and $6.56 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost, and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $5.68. Cardano value forecast 2027. As indicated by our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed to be $6.32, $7.21, and $8.09 individually. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and in the event that you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, merchants can acquire extraordinary benefits. Cardano value expectation 2028. In light of past execution, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $7.85 and $9.62, while the typical cost might be $8.74 for the year 2028. Cardano value forecast 2029. Subsequent to stirring things up around town the ADA coin will progress forward the upturn. According to our ADA cost forecast, the base and most extreme costs might be around $9.38 and $11.15 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is gauged to be $10.27. Cardano value expectation 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost expectation 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $10.91 and $12.68. Simultaneously, our Cardano value expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $11.80 all year long. The Cardano gauge recommends that the ADA cost could cross the greatest cost of $2 toward the finish of 2029. The base cost may be around 97 cents, according to their ADA cost expectation 2025. In light of our Cardano forecast, it is a terrible long-haul, one-year venture. Your ongoing venture might be downgraded in the future, as it is a high-risk resource, according to the ADA conjecture. In view of future ADA cost expectations, digital money will show a rising propensity. The future cost of ADA United States dollar is anticipated to be $8.52 over the course of the following 5 years. Cardano, or so far as that is concerned, some other cryptographic money, can be impacted by different variables. The ADA cost is principally impacted by the dealer's opinions and whales temporarily. Assuming purchasers show an interest in the token, the cost will be significantly impacted decidedly. Indeed, even whales can control the coin's cost. In the event